Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of linear inequalities. So as per the problem, which of the quadrants contains no solutions to the system if the system of inequalities of y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 4 and y is greater than or equal to 3x plus 2 is graphed on the xy plane. So we have to graph these two linear inequalities and then find out in which quadrant there is no solution for this linear inequality system. So let's start with the first linear inequality. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 4. So we should first graph this inequality as an equation. This is a linear equation in slope-intercept form. The slope of this line is negative 2, the coefficient of the x term, and the b value, the y-intercept is negative 4. So if I have to sketch this line, we'll start at the y-intercept, which is equal to negative 4, and the slope represents the rise over run, which can also be written as negative 2 over 1. So from the y-intercept, we have to go 2 units to down and 1 unit to the right because the rise is negative, the run is positive. Now we can join these 2 points to sketch the line. This is the graph of the first equation. Now we have to check on which side of this line is the inequality true, and for that we can use a test value. We can test for the origin 0.00. So we'll sub in x as 0 and y as 0 in the inequality and check if the inequality is satisfied. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. And 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4. That means the point 0, 0 satisfies the first inequality. That means the solution for this inequality is on the right side of this line. Now we can sketch the other inequality. So let's start by sketching the equation for it. This equation is in slope-intercept form, and the slope of this line is 3, and its y-intercept or the b value is 2. So we'll start by plotting the y-intercept, and from this y-intercept we have to show the rise of 3 and run of 1. So this is our second point. Now we can join these points to graph the line. Now we have to test which side of this line does the inequality hold true. So we can use a test value. So let's use the test value origin 0, 0. So we'll sub in x as 0 and y as 0 in the second inequality. We get 0 is greater than or equal to 2, which is not true because 0 is less than 2. So that means the origin does not satisfy the second inequality. That means the solution for this inequality lies on the left side of the line. The solution for this system of linear inequalities is the part of the xy plane in which both inequalities hold true, and that is this part of the xy plane. And we can see a part of this area lies in quadrant 1, this part here. Much of it lies in quadrant 2, this part here. And some of it lies in quadrant 3, this small triangle. But none of it lies in quadrant 4. Therefore, the quadrant that contains no solution to this system is quadrant 4. So the answer should be option C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.